Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the CTS3 is powered and running the correct firmware. This prevents errors during configuration. Once done, you remove the trim around the gauge pod using a trim tool to avoid clips breaking, and you expose the unit mounting screws. Make sure to keep screws in a small tray and label connectors as you go. You disconnect the main harness only when necessary to avoid reset, and note the display orientation before changing gauges to preserve layout. You navigate into the Edge menu to add or replace gauges because this is where sensor assignments live. After selecting a gauge slot, choose the correct sensor type and scale. This ensures readings are meaningful, for example psi for boost versus psi for oil pressure. Once set, map each gauge to the correct physical or OBD-ROMAN2 sensor input so the unit reads the intended data stream. Make sure to calibrate offsets if needed, and confirm live values. Match known references before sealing panels. You finish by reassembling trim, reconnecting the battery, and powering the CTS3 to confirm the new gauges display and respond. Then you test each gauge in real conditions or against a handheld meter so you can trust the readings. If values are erratic or incorrect, first recheck wiring and sensor selection in the menu, then verify calibration offsets, sometimes swapping connectors or updating firmware fixes glitches. If problems persist, perform a factory reset only after saving configurations and retry mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.